Stop posting videos like this and start posting like this. Your videos look cheap because your background is distracting, but you don't need an expensive camera to fix it. Let me show you how you can blur your background in less than 2 minutes using just your phone. So, open your CapCut and click on new video or new project. Then you bring in the video that you want to work on, the video that you want to blur the background. Let's assume I want to use this video. So once you bring in the clip that you want to use, you tap on the clip like this on the video. When you tap on it, you will now scroll and look for duplicate. This is duplicate. Then you click on duplicate. Now your video has been duplicated. The next thing you are going to do here is, you see this duplicate here, you will tap on it and scroll down, scroll to look for overlay. This is overlay. You tap on it like this, then it will now bring the video down. Once you click on overlay, it will now bring the video down. Then you now drag the video to the ending part to align with the first one. Make sure it's at the descent level with the first one. If you take a look at this, look at the ending part and look at the beginning. It's at the same level. Don't do it like this. It should not be like this. Like this one is longer than this. It shouldn't be like that. Make sure it at the same level like this. Then the next thing you're going to do, next, you tap on this, the overlay, then you scroll to look for remove BG, that is remove background, remove BG. Then you tap on the remove BG. Then you tap on auto remover and wait. Is removing the background of our duplicated video, the overlay. So you have to wait. It's going to remove the background automatically. So just wait, the background will be removed automatically. Okay, now we have successfully removed the background of our video, which is the second one. So the next thing you're going to do here is to tap on the first one. Once you tap on the first one, you now see effect. Look at it here, effect. After animations, you click on effect, you click on video effect. Then here, you now search for blur and type and send. Look at blur there. You will not use anyone. They're all the same, either this or this. Anyone. Then you now go back and you have this. You see it. You see that the background of my video has been blurred. The background is no more there. You can also do the same thing to your image, that's to your picture. Then if you want the background to be very blurred, like you don't want the anything on the background to show at all, you tap on the first one, not the second one, not the overlay, the first one. Tap on it and scroll down, scroll like this to look for opacity. Scroll and you will see, just look at it here, opacity. You now reduce it. You can see that it's on 100 already. So you will now reduce it, and the background of your video will be dark. It will make the background, it will make that background not to show at all. So now that it's on 100, the background is still showing. If you look at it very well, you will see that some things at the background is still showing. So if you want it like this, you can leave it like this. But if you want the background, if you want to remove the background entirely, you want it to be very dark, you drag this to any level that you want. Drag it. Let me play the video so you can see. You see the background now, it's as if I video myself in a dark place. And like this is also very, very fine. So when you're doing something like that, make sure that you're not closer to the camera so that the result can come out very well. This is the reason why I said that you should not make one longer than one, because okay, take a look at this. I will now shift this one like this. Look at it. You see that it's not is you see that I'm appearing two in the video. It does not align. I'm appearing two. That is why what you should do is to make sure that the two videos are on the same line. Remember, if you want to blur the background of your video, make sure that the video you are far from the camera. Like you shouldn't be close to the camera. As you can see, I'm closer. I'm a little bit close to the camera because I never wanted to blur this background. That is why. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, because I have other tutorials that I'm going to share with you. So once you're done, you click on export to export your video. That's all. Export.